In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add border to an image in Google Docs. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Google Docs. So I have this one from here and we already have this image. So if you don't know how to insert an image in Google Docs, click on the insert tab and click on image and then upload from computer and choose as to where you have saved your image and click on open. So once you have inserted the image, you have to click on it to select it. So once you select the image, you will notice this border weight and then the border dash from here. So let's click on this drop down arrow for border dash and choose this border. Okay. Then you have here for the border weight, you can simply choose the thickness from here. Okay, and for the color, if you want to change the border color, then you can simply do that depending on your preference and your style. Okay, that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.